Columbia. Get me Albany.
Storm report at no.com. On Facebook at www.facebook.com/NWS-Albany or Twitter at NWS-Albany. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in New York, Columbia and Greene, and Berkshire, Massachusetts. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Columbia County and east central New York until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chatham, New Lebanon, Galatia, Kinderhook, Loretz Park, Ghent, Stockport, Stuyvesant, Canyon, Stuyvesant Falls, Chatham Center, Columbayville, Rawson, Rayville, Red Rock, Stockport Station, Arnold's Mill, Sunnyside, New Britain, and Rock City. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service at email@alb.stormreport@noaa.gov, on Facebook at www.facebook.com/NWS-Albany or Twitter at NWS-Albany. Repeat.
The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Berkshire County in western Massachusetts.
Berkshire! This time, go on WX. This time, go on WXL34. Flash flood warning.
Philmont, Kinderhook, Loretz Park, Claverneck Red Mills, Ghent, Stockport, Germantown, Canyon, Burton Dock, Rawson, and Kiskadam. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Location: the Lake George Saratoga region, Mohawk Valley, Schoharie Valley, Helderberg,
Oconee Pickens!
Capital District, and Tectonics of eastern New York, Bennington County and eastern Windham County in Vermont, Berkshire County in Massachusetts.
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
southwestern Pickens
County in upstate South Carolina,
southern
Oconee County in upstate South Carolina.
Until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Time.
At 5:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time,
A severe thunderstorm was located
near Walhalla, moving at 15 miles per hour.
Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Clemson, Seneca, Walhalla, Central, Westminster, Norris, 6 Mile, Fairplay, Oakland, and Liberty. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. This storm is producing frequent and intense lightning. Turn off electrical appliances. Do not use corded telephones. Do not take a bath or shower. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free at 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeated, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Oconee, and Pickens. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
southwestern Pickens County
in upstate South Carolina.
Southern Oconee County in upstate South Carolina until 6 p.m.
Forget Berkshire. Oconee and Pickens is more important. Alright, let's go ahead and write that down in our log. So you get to watch me write this down on the log, on today's daily on the daily log. Alright, so this is our track for today. So we're gonna write down EAS number 2. It was a SVR from NWS GSP, Oconee, Pickens, South Carolina, until 6 p.m. EDT, off of WXJ21 16255. I'm gonna write channel 7. There we go. Flash load warning for Baltimore. KC-83.
If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. This is all hazards
Station KC-83, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe flood warning for Baltimore County, Maryland.
Until 8:15 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., Doppler radar
Indicated thunderstorms
producing heavy rain across the area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen, and additional inch of rain is expected. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that may experience flooding include Middle River, Essex, Rosedale, Rossville, White Marsh, Bowley's Quarters, Nottingham, and Martin State Airport.
Turn around. Don't drive when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
A strong thunderstorm approaching the waters. The areas.
Someone dang me. It was Upton. Flood advisory for Fairfield.
In Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, until 7:30 p.m.
Gust front.
At 5:26 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Wharton Point, moving northeast at 10 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source:
Radar indicated.
Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds
And waves capsizing their vessel.
Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey Point, Spassuti Island, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm.
Line.
If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Upper Delaware Bay.